If there is a complaint about gear shift quality for the 722.9 automatic transmission, then perform a quick test on the control unit. First, go through the error codes if any are present, and ensure that the software is up to date. The adaptation of the torque converter lockup clutch must be carried out while the vehicle is being driven. Take a colleague with you and have the connected Star Diagnosis unit on board. While driving, select Perform Adaptation on the torque converter lockup clutch on the Transmission Adaptation menu. This consists of 3 steps. For the minimum pressure adaptation, first restrict the transmission to 3rd gear. Keep the engine speed at 2000 RPM. Adjust the throttle gently until the engine speed is in the highlighted area shown on the DAS display. Maintain this engine speed until the display switches to the next torque range. Repeat the process until Star Diagnosis reports that the procedure has been completed. For the filling time adaptation, first restrict the transmission to the 1st gear. Start the vehicle from a standstill. Keep the engine torque in the range displayed until the status switches to slipping. Repeat this procedure as well until the menu item shown is completed. The 3rd and final step is the drive adaptation. Attention! This menu item does not include a graphical display of the engine speed or the torque. Limit the transmission to 3rd or 4th gear depending on the gear you want to adapt. Accelerate to the set gear and then increase the engine speed to above 3000 RPM. Let the engine speed decrease from this range to below 1500 RPM. Repeat the procedure as specified in the DAS. The torque converter lockup clutch is adapted once the final step has been completed.